How to use Rave App with your friends. In this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you guys how you can easily use this app with your friends. So the first thing you have to do is open this one up and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, what you want to do is you can play any song or any video that you want to share it with your friends or enjoy it with them together. So let's say if I just go ahead and open up the very first one right here, what happens is it will start playing. And once this starts playing, you have quite a few options down below right besides the comment section. You can just go ahead and tap on the gallery icon to send any photo, or if you want to mention anyone, you can tap that at the rate. And if you want to go ahead and invite a friend, tap on this plus icon on the friend. Then from here, tap on your friend or search for their name, tap on invite, and then you should be able to enjoy your music or video with your friends. If you want to share it with them, you could do that by just copying the link from there and you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.